If you have issues with the clock face not displaying properly on the Motorola Edge 17 Pro, then let me show you what you can do to solve this issue. So first of all, we're gonna go to Settings. Then over here in Settings, we're gonna go to Home and Lock Screen. Then choose the lock screen option. And first we can go to the Customize Lock Screen. So in here, if you tap on the notification style, then what you can do is you can switch from the list style to chip or bubble. This allows you to have this bigger clock, which usually utilizes the custom clock face. So it should be slightly bigger by doing so. And you might also see, of course, widgets. So if you don't have widgets, then also you can do that. And then, of course, tap on this check in the upper right corner in order to save your changes. Now, in case this still didn't help, you can also check if here in the lock screen settings you have show clock face enabled. You want to make sure that this option is on. Besides that, if still you cannot see the clock face on the lock screen, then you can also open apps in settings, then tap here to see the list of all apps. And what you can do is you can search for an app that is called Glance. Now, I don't have it, and it is possible that you won't have it as well, but if you do have it, you want to simply disable this app. So you want to select the app, and then you should be able to find the disable option in here. Now, this is just an example, of course, just to show you where the disable button is. And another thing that you can do is you can find the personalize app. There we go. And in here, what you can do is you can go to storage and cache, and you want to clear cache. There we go. Now, you might need to make some changes in personalization again because of clearing cache. So what you might want to do is go to personalize in here, and you want to make sure that everything is set up as it was before. And then hopefully you can see the clock face again. Leave a like and subscribe.